Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be playing around with makeup. My face is washed and cleansed and all of that stuff. Come closer. Okay, here we go. I bought two of their foundations. I was recommended to get a M20 and M10. What I found my shade to be was M20, but I then went and got M10 for like the middle of my face because we all know I'm two-toned. Ignore my neck right now. We all know this pregnancy is like wreaking havoc. Hyperpigmentation galore. My armpits are as dark as this shirt right now. It's crazy. So as you can see, I am different shades. These two match, but this in the middle. And I don't bother trying to make my neck match the rest of my body because. So this is M20. As you can see, it's a little darker. They're both warm, undertoned, but this is a darker shade than this one. I did a mask, a cucumber and citrus mask. It was so good. It feels so good. I didn't realize that I bought two foundation and foundation brush combos, so I got two brushes. This one's dirty. I'm not using this one. I used this one about 3 days ago. I just wanted to show you guys that they come with these brushes, which are, of course, it's branded, but they're soft, dense, and just wonderful to use. I don't have to deal with streaking. It's so weird because I've always used a sponge, but lately with these brushes, with the Mented ones, when I use it, maybe it's because it's a foundation stick. I've never really, I've never really used a foundation stick until now. And I'm seeing that with the foundation stick, it's easier for me to just go with the brush and blend instead of trying to do the sponge. All right, going in with the M20. But y'all see how it like now kind of matched the rest of my face. Now, one thing I've stopped with my routine is doing what the gurus tell us to do. Doing the whole everywhere foundation goes. I have now adopted the art of just using makeup where it's needed, and I need it in this area because that's where I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of texture. When it comes to the rest of my face, I just put it where I need it, and that's that. So this is M20. If you look at M20 and then M10, for the most part I just put it in this area because yes, I definitely need to wake up. But if you look at it, look at that, and then look at that. You see how there's that bit of a difference? That is it. And if you guys see that there's this softening on my skin that's going in and out, my camera's dead. I dropped my camera so many times, and now even though I have the soft skin filter turned off on my camera, it's just doing its own thing. So sometimes the softness comes, the filter comes on, and then it comes off. So if you're looking for, if you want a true, let me come closer. This is what my skin truly looks like, okay? This, like we have texture. We have texture in there. This is what my skin truly looks like. And then when I step away, it's like softening me up. And now I look like a porcelain doll with perfect skin. Okay. I want to bring it up. I want to bring some of that foundation up. Remember, I didn't put any foundation at the top. I just put a dot over here. So I will bring it up in this area just to make things seamless, you know? I know I said I'm not trying to match my neck, but then I'm just gonna bring it down because I don't want it to just be all over my face. Now, the finish of this foundation is to die for. It's obviously not matte, but it's also not dewy. It's just got this natural velvety finish, you know? That's it right there, the true finish. Like some of that texture is taken away. The filter is off right now, by the way, you can tell, right? Okay. The texture's been taken away, but it's just got this natural, glowy, radiant finish that I am in love with, okay? Even though I'm not bringing my foundation down to match the rest of my neck, I do like to just, you know, blend it outwards so that my face doesn't look like it's a floating fake head. You know what I mean? I just don't want that look. And then this, I will just focus it on this little end here. Now, oh, what about your hairline and all of that? That's when my bronze is gonna come in. I don't really need foundation in that area. This is what it looks like so far. And this is it with what my skin actually looks like. I still have to do a little more blending, setting my makeup, but this is what it looks like. It's dewy, it's lovely. I have dry skin, and this is what it looks like right now before settling in and everything. So if you have oily skin, you might wanna powder it up. I got their eyeshadow. And this is what the shades look like. Pretty shades. I'm gonna start with this shade as a base. I like going in with that as a neutral color. That light brown, it'll help tie everything together. Listen to me trying to sound like I know what I'm doing. Feel that. Here we are, guys. I'm done. This is... a bead just fell out. I'm losing beads over here. So, this is the final look. This is it. Mented Cosmetics. Got your girl looking cute. I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the foundation. The foundation wears really nicely. This is not the first time I've used the foundation. It's the first time I've used the eyeshadow, which is pretty okay. I mean, I don't go overboard. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, so I like it. It just enhances what's already there, right? No, the beauty. So anyway, I love the foundation. It wears well. You can wear it for a long time. I've worn it like throughout the day and then taking it off. And as far as creasing and stuff like that, I don't talk so much when I'm at work. I'm usually quiet. So on that day I was at work the whole day. I was just quiet, so I didn't have a lot of lines. But you will crease if you have like deep smile lines. You will get some smile lineage in there. So make sure you set your smile lines with powder. The foundation wears well. Like I said, if you have oily skin, you will probably need to set. Use a primer underneath and use a setting spray afterwards and powders and stuff. For me, I have normal to dry skin. I am dry from below my nose going down is dry, and then up it's normal. And you guys saw how dewy it is, and this is how dewy it's looking right now after setting. The texture that was around me, it's still there, but not as pronounced as it would have been without the makeup. But it's not a blurry makeup, okay? This is like a natural type of finish. It gives you a natural look. It's not dewy, it's just natural and radiant, but not a dewy foundation stick, and it's not a matte foundation stick. So I like that. I like the way I'm looking. I really do like the way I'm looking. I know it's coming off the camera as spectacular. Let me come closer so you can get a true picture of what I'm looking like right now. This is what I look like. When I move backwards, I don't know if I've told you guys before, I drop my camera, so the softness filter comes in and out whenever it feels like it. There's nothing I can do about it. And I don't have the money to buy a new camera, so you get what you get. So that's why I'm doing the whole coming in to show you the real, okay? This is the real. This is what I'm looking like. This is what we're looking like. And me like it, okay? I really like it a lot. Anyway, take care, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video, okay?